this tutorial, we're going to have a look at PHP sessions. What is a session? A session is like a cookie and it stores information or data. Normally, we store data in a session instead of information. Information is turning data into something meaningful, like what we have right here. As you can see, we have this page has loaded and sessions has been created. That's our first line of code. And we have another line that's been echoed saying your name is Web Dev King. Now for security reasons, you can't actually view a PHP session on the client side. A client is what the user sees. If you're not the client, most likely to be a server, which is something that the client doesn't have access to. This is the code that we have and it's pretty simple. It's nothing complicated. In order to work with PHP, you need to have your file to be ending with .php. As you can see, we have a PHP code tag right here, and that tells the web browser that this web page is running PHP code. The first thing we have is to tell the browser to start the session, and we just have session_start. If you want to destroy a session, you can do so by using session_destroy, and we can unset the session value, so the actual value of the session, by doing session_unset. As you can see, we have our first line, which is echo, and then we have this page has loaded sentence. Underneath that, we have a session, $_session, and then the session name. In this instance, we just used the word name. And the value is defined with an equals symbol, and in quotes, we have the value. In this instance, Web Dev King. Now, the next line of code that we have is echo, your name is a full stop. I'll tell you what the full stop does in a second. So we have your name is full stop $_session and then the name of the session. Now, the full stop that we have right here separates the string. So whatever is inside the quotes is a string. We have a full stop, and then we can run some PHP code, and then a full stop, and then the rest of the string. So if I were to change Web Dev King to Web Dev Queen, refresh the page, it will come up as Web Dev Queen. That was a simple video tutorial to show you on how to work with sessions. Remember, when you're working with a session, you can't see the session value on the client side, unlike a cookie. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please like, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in another video tutorial.